Ever noticed how everyday conversations in English feel simple when you listen, but difficult when you try to speak?
Yes, that happens often. Understanding is one thing, but responding naturally in real life is a different skill.
Imagine you're starting your day at work or university. Someone greets you casually. What do you usually say?
Most people overthink it. A simple good morning, how's it going is usually enough.
And if they ask, how was your weekend?
You can keep it natural. It was good, pretty relaxing. How about yours?
Small talk feels small, but it plays a big role in daily communication.
Exactly. It helps build comfort before deeper conversations.
Let's talk about a common real-life situation, shopping.
Sure, that's something everyone experiences.
Imagine you're in a store looking for something specific.
You might say, "Excuse me, do you have this in a different size?"
Or, I'm just looking, thank you, if you don't need help.
Simple, polite phrases make interactions smooth.
And when it's time to pay?
Can I pay by card or do you accept cash?
Another daily situation is ordering food.
Yes, especially at cafes or restaurants.
The server asks, are you ready to order?
You can say, "Yes, I'll have the chicken sandwich and a coffee."
And if you need more time,
Could we have a few more minutes, please?
politeness really matters here.
It does. Tone is just as important as words.
Let's move to workplace conversations.
A very important area for daily English.
Imagine you're in a meeting.
Someone might ask, "What's your opinion on this?"
How do you respond if you agree?
"I agree with that point," or "That makes sense to me."
And if you disagree politely,
"I see your point, but I think we could consider another option."
sometimes people struggle to explain trends or changes at work.
Yes, especially in business conversations.
For example, we're seeing a noticeable shift in consumer preferences across several sectors. What seems to be driving this change?
It appears to be a combination of factors, including greater awareness of sustainability issues and a growing demand for personalized experiences.
That sounds professional, but still clear.
Because the sentences are structured simply.
Let's talk about phone conversations.
Many learners find those stressful.
The phone rings, you answer.
"Hello, this is Alex speaking.
If you need to transfer a call,
Please hold for a moment. I'll connect you."
and if the person isn't available,
"I'm sorry, she's not available right now. Can I take a message?"
daily English also includes casual conversations with friends.
Yes, those are usually more relaxed.
Someone asks, do you want to hang out later?
You can say, "Sure, that sounds good." Or, "I'm a bit busy today. Maybe another time."
Being honest but polite is key.
Exactly. That's natural communication.
Let's imagine you're traveling.
Travel conversations are very practical.
At the airport, you check in. I'd like to check in for my flight. At immigration,
"I'm here for tourism," or "I'm visiting for business."
sometimes problems come up during travel.
Yes, and you need clear English then.
Your flight is delayed.
Do you know how long the delay will be?
Or at a hotel.
There seems to be an issue with my room.
Let's talk about giving opinions in daily life.
That's a common challenge.
Someone asks about a movie.
"I really enjoyed it," or "It wasn't really my type."
You don't need complex words.
Simple opinions sound more natural.
Another daily scenario is asking for help.
Yes, that happens often.
You're lost in a new place.
"Excuse me, could you help me find this address?"
And when someone helps you,
"Thank you so much. I really appreciate it."
let's discuss conversations about schedules.
Time-related questions are very common.
What time does the meeting start?
It starts at 10 a.m.
If you're late,
"Sorry for the delay. Thank you for waiting."
daily English also includes making plans.
Yes, both personal and professional plans.
Are you free this weekend?
"I might be free on Saturday."
Keeping answers flexible helps.
It does, especially when you're not sure.
Let's go back to workplace communication.
All right.
How do you ask for clarification?
Could you please explain that again?
Or if you didn't hear clearly.
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Ending conversations politely is also important.
Definitely.
At work,
Thanks for your time. I'll follow up later.
with friends.
It was nice talking to you. See you soon.
Many learners think daily English needs perfect grammar.
But it doesn't.
It needs clarity
And confidence.
and practice.
Daily practice makes conversations feel natural.
So, real-life English is about simple, useful phrases,
Used at the right moment.
spoken calmly.
And with confidence.
The more you use English in daily situations, the easier it becomes.
Exactly. Real conversations are the best teachers.
That's why practicing real-life English conversations is so important.
And why using English every day makes a real difference.
Keep listening
Keep speaking.
and keep improving.
One conversation at a time.